Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce travel expenses with Southwest Airlines, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by determining your travel dates. Use the Southwest Airlines website or app for booking. Search for the most flexible travel dates to find the best fares. Consider flying on weekdays, as these are usually cheaper than weekends. Sign up for the Southwest Airlines Rapid Rewards program. This program allows you to earn points on every flight. Keep an eye on fare alerts for your preferred routes. Utilize the low fare calendar feature on the Southwest website. This tool shows the cheapest available flights for an entire month. Check for last-minute deals offered by Southwest Airlines. These can provide significant savings if your travel dates are flexible. Consider booking flights during off-peak seasons. Traveling during less popular times can result in lower fares. To maximize savings, avoid booking directly through third-party sites. Always compare prices directly on the Southwest website. If possible, fly to less busy airports that Southwest services. This can sometimes result in lower ticket prices. Be mindful of Southwest's bag policy. The airline allows 2 free checked bags, which can save you money. Additionally, check for companion fare options if you frequently travel with a friend. This can help reduce costs on travel for two. Monitor your booking for fare reductions after your purchase. Southwest allows you to rebook at the lower fare and refund the difference as a travel credit. Lastly, use Southwest gift cards during holiday sales. This can further decrease your travel expenses. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.